What?
Hello.
Sorry.
Hi guys, today we are going to play Truth or Dare. But first we'd like to subscribe and like. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Oh, don't forget to leave a comment. And what's your advice?
Yeah.
Let's start. So, first, you.
Why?
Please. Okay. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Do you have a crush on a boy?
No.
Say the truth.
I said no!
Okay. My turn.
Do you?
Ask.
Why did you really?
Oops. Truth or dare first?
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Why did you buy this?
I said dare.
Just joking, guys. Lick the electric light. That. I'm gonna show you guys.
Go.
Do it. Go.
So embarrassed.
Yeah, go.
No.
You say there.
Ew, this is dirty.
No. This. You can only lick this.
Ew.
Go. You never touch your tongue.
I touch it.
Okay. So now.
Truth or dare?
There.
What dare? Basahan mo sila ng kwento.
I don't know.
It's a dare, dude.
That's not a dare.
It's a dare.
Next dare.
No.
Yeah.
No. No.
No.
Bilis no.
Okay.
I'll go get. I'm gonna post first.
That's and then try it. Once there were can I
You can.
may tatlong magkakapatid na kambing na parating magkakasama. Panganay sa kanila ang pinakamalaki, ang bunso ang pinakamaliit at ang nasa gitna ng kambing ay pinakamataba na may sungay. This is the next. Isang araw nagpasyang silang magtungo sa lambak sa kabila ng patag para kumain ng sariwa at bagong tubong damo. Bago makarating sa lambak, kailangan nilang tawiran ang isang ilog. Swerte naman at may isang tulay na kahoy na patawid sa ilog, subalit luma na ito at makitid. Kailangang tuwirin ng mga kambing ang tulay na isa-isa lamang. Done.
Okay. 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 My turn.
Truth or dare?
True.
Do you really hate school?
Yes, I really hate school.
Sa kabaliktaran.
No, I really hate school.